Sometimes you're going to have spreadsheets that have lists of data and you want to sort the data. That means to put it in some type of order. It might be in numeric order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It might be in alphabetical order. Those are the two typical ones. And they could be either ascending or descending order. That is, numeric order, ascending starts small and goes to the biggest. Descending is the opposite. It would start with the largest number and go down to the smallest. Alphabetical works the same way. Ascending alphabetical order means it starts with A, it goes to Z. Descending alphabetical order is the opposite. It starts with Z and goes to A. Now there's some tips or some tricks you need to be careful of when you're sorting things in Excel. A lot of times what you have is you might have something like this. Here's a spreadsheet where I have a student's name, and let's say this is their homeroom teacher. Okay. Now I want to put this in order by the student's name. I want these to be in alphabetical order. Okay. So what I do first, I select the part that I want to sort. Notice it goes all the way down here off the bottom of the page. I've got 50 names. Okay. So I select the section I want to sort. Go to Data. That's where you'll find it because you're talking about data. And notice here's Sort. Okay. And so I can just click A to Z or Z to A. That's kind of a shortcut. But notice what might happen. If I'm sorting column A in alphabetical order, what happens to column B? See, I want Tuan and Jennings to stay matched up. I want Erling and Hannenberg to stay matched up, and Laurie and Myers, and all the way down. If I just sort column A in alphabetical order and don't do anything with column B, then all of a sudden these names are with the wrong homeroom teachers. Now fortunately, Excel tends to find errors like that. So if I click here and say sort A to Z, it says, whoa, it found data next to your selection. Since you haven't selected it, it won't be sorted. So it says, do you really want to do this? Because if you just continue with the current selection, it's going to sort this column. This is going to stay in the order it's in, and all of a sudden your names will all be messed up. So you can expand the selection like this, or you can just do it to begin with. Like if I said, okay, I want to sort these two columns, so I select both the columns, then I'm going to say over here, sort A to Z. Notice what happened. It sorted the names in order, but it kept these, the teacher names, matched up. Okay. Now, let's undo that. Let's say that what I want to do is I want to sort these by the teacher name. So the teacher names are in alphabetical order, and within each teacher I want the students in alphabetical order. Okay, so I want, for example, Gleason is the first one in alphabetical order, so Gleason's going to be listed here first, and then for Gleason, I want all of his students in alphabetical order just among him. So what you do is you go to this sort right here. Okay, this is just kind of a quick and easy one. Here's where you can define it a bit more. So you click there where it says sort. Now, the first sort I'm going to do, I want to sort it by teacher, A to Z. But now I'm going to add a level of sort. So I click Add Level. So within the teacher, I want the students to be alphabetized. Now, if I do that and then click OK, notice what I have. Here's Gleason, and his students are in alphabetical order. Here's Hannenberg. His students are in alphabetical order. Here's Jennings, same thing there, and so on. So that's how you can do a little bit more complex sorting. not just one column, but several of them.